YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and tuning in. Today we got a Stromboli, baby, that we making today. Y'all already know what time it is. It's about to be off the mother freaking chain, okay? So we got our natural grated Parmesan cheese. We got our mozzarella cheese. We got some chicken. We got some red onion. We got that garlic powder. We got that minced garlic. We got some red pepper flakes, you know what I'm saying? We got some fresh parsley. We got that turkey pepperoni, you know what I'm saying? We got that mushroom. And we got some roasted garlic pizza sauce. And we got some pizza crust, baby. Pillsbury doughboy. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Y'all, please help this channel grow and subscribe, please. Man, I'm almost to 100, guys. I'm almost to 100. Hook your girl up, okay? So, yeah, let's start with this pizza dough. And y'all see an extra hand in there. That's my nephew. My nephew and niece are spending the day with me. And we are about to turn up and eat this Stromboli. Okay? Yes. So, what you want to do is make sure that it's extra flat. No lumps. You know, it's nice and smooth right now at this point. And then I'll take some shears and kind of make these little slits on the sides. You don't want to go too far in because you're going to put your filling in there. So, yeah. Yeah, so do the same thing to the opposite side. Okay. Yeah. And make sure they don't come apart because you want everything to be pretty much intact. So let's go in with this roasted garlic sauce. A nice amount. You don't want to oversaturate with the sauce. You want to put a good amount though. And go ahead and smooth it out with the spoon. Like so. Yes. Good amount, good amount. And nothing has to be just gorgeous, okay? I'm here to eat some good food. I don't gotta have something that looks like 5-star, 10-star gourmet. I ain't never did 10-star gourmet looking food, so yeah, this about to be slapping though, y'all. Okay, put our little minced garlic. And I got that from Ma's Pizza. I had never seen people put minced garlic, so I've been incorporating that. And you want to take the red pepper flakes because you know I like it spicy. And we're going to take a red onion, my favorite. It's already looking good, y'all. Ain't even all the toppings on there yet. Let me give y'all a close-up, okay? Give y'all a close-up. All right. Go ahead and sprinkle that red onion in there. And we also want to take our chicken. Now, I had to tell him, like, you know, Auntie like a lot of toppings. I said, go and put some more of that in there. Ain't he hungry? But yeah, we sprinkling chicken inside. So we want this to just be fulfilling, good, amazing. We're gonna go in with these turkey pepperonis because you know your girl don't be doing no pork, okay? So yeah, let's put those pepperonis on there like so. Oh my gosh, y'all can't tell me that don't look good already. Man, I'm talking about scrumdiddlyumptious, okay? Woo! All right. So, let's go ahead and go in with these white mushrooms. Definitely gotta have the white mushrooms. That's pretty much all of the vegetables that I add. Onion, mushroom, pretty much the same thing as I add on my pizza. Can't go wrong with either or. And you know, if you don't want to do meat, you can substitute with more mushroom. It's not a big deal. Anything that you want to not use, don't use. You know what I mean? Just substitute it for what you like. I mean, this is your filling. This is your Stromboli, baby. So you make it to your liking. Like I always say, add, take away, remove. It's still gonna be good, because especially once you start adding that garlic powder to that butter, baby, and you mix it around and you use that brush like I'm about to show y'all how to do, and you start brushing that garlic butter on that dough. Let me tell you something. It's a game changer, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drop in some of that parsley into the mix. So I want to just give it that color, you know, so to speak. Parsley to me really doesn't have a strong flavor, so I'm just, you know, just pretty much making it look pretty at this point. But that garlic butter, oh yeah, definitely gonna be hitting. Even though I have the minced garlic on there, you want to brush those sides with that garlic butter, baby. Okay, we're gonna make it nice and right. All right, nice and flavorful. This Stromboli is about to be packed with flavor. Trust me, you cannot go wrong, guys. So y'all already know what time it is. It's time to add that cheese, baby. Cheese it up, cheese it up, cheese it up. Got that natural mozzarella cheese, baby. Got to have that mozzarella cheese. I'm finna go crazy with it, because why not? It's Stromboli, baby. You gotta have cheese. All right? You know? Okay? You know what I'm saying? Please add that cheese and be generous. You know what I mean? So, yeah, once we add that mozzarella, we're going to go in with that grated Parmesan. And I love me some Parmesan cheese. It might make your top lip stink, but, baby, ooh, you can't go without it. You got to add that Parmesan grated cheese, baby. Okay? Don't go without it. All right? Like I said, you miss out on any of these ingredients, it will not be the same. So right now we're going to stretch, and we're going to fold those ends that we clipped in the beginning. And we're going to try to make it look a little decent. You know what I'm saying? We're going to try to make it look a little 3-star, maybe not 5-star, 10-star. We're going to make it look a little 3-star, okay? We some house chefs up in here, okay? We about to make it do what it do. All right, so we just want to fold everything in so it will not seep out during the cooking process. So you see me just ever so lightly folding those pieces over, and it is going to be so good, guys. Trust and believe, y'all. Try this recipe. Leave a comment and let me know what you do differently on your Stromboli. If you ever had it before, will you try it? What would you do? You know, what would you do differently? So leave me a comment below, drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and add some more of that garlic butter sauce, baby, on top. And look how pretty that is. Look, I'm not even trying to, you know, do the most, but I mean, look. Your girl got it in the bag, okay? So we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven for 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Ooh, baby, if that don't make your mouth water, I don't know what will, baby. That's going to be good, y'all. Thank you so much to my niece and nephew for being here. I love you guys so very much. Let's take a bite. All right, y'all. We about to try this Stromboli. Got my niece and my nephew with me. Hey. Let's take a bite, y'all. That's what's up, y'all. Man. Drop a like if y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's run this goddamn subscriptions up, y'all. I'm almost to 100, y'all. Come on, subscribe to your girl. All right? Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Don't that look good? Let me take one more bite.
I have no words. This is so delicious.
We love y'all. We'll catch y'all next time.
All right, y'all. Be more on life, baby. Let's go. Peace.
Peace.